Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the background transparent from your pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a picture real quick. So let's say I want to use this one. I'm going to go ahead and open it up in the software. And to make the background transparent is really easy. All you have to do is select the object selection tool. Give it a second or two to analyze your image. And then you're gonna wanna go ahead and select the subject in the photo. So in this case, it's this guy. I'm gonna go ahead and line up the object selection tool. Once I'm satisfied with the object selection, I'm gonna hit left click and it should properly select. So now that that's done, I wanna add a few more parts like here at the bottom right. So I'm going to change the mode from new to add. Then I'm going to click on the parts that weren't selected. And overall, this looks pretty good to me. So now I'm going to go to the retouching studio. If you don't see this option, you can click this button right here to add it to your hotbar. And I'm going to go ahead and click invert selection. So what that does is it's going to change your selection from the foreground to the background. And now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and hit delete on my keyboard. And once you see this checkerboard texture, that's how you know the background has become transparent. So I'm going to quickly deselect by hitting Control D on my keyboard. I'm going to go back to the pixel layer. Then I'm just going to click on pixel here at the top, click on new fill layer, and let's go ahead and change the background of the fill layer, maybe something like this, and I'm going to drag it below the original image. So as you can see, the background of the original image has certainly become transparent because otherwise we wouldn't be able to see this fill layer. If you want to keep it transparent and export it that way, you can do so. Just click on File, click on Export, and then make sure it's set to PNG because other image formats might not support transparency. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.